Yeah, they were in a nest.
One cracked. There were 3.
No tree cracked it.
They were in a nest?
Yeah.
Yeah, there were 3.
And one cracked?
Yeah.
Are the babies in here?
I don't know.
Ah!
Put it...
It cracked.
It cracked?
Yeah.
Put it in here. There's probably nothing in it.
Yeah.
There's nothing in it.
Yeah, there's probably nothing in it.
So they're not real eggs.
The mom.
They're real eggs, but if they've been abandoned, they didn't fully form.
The mom sat on them. That's why they're warm.
So there's a nest. I'll have to come and look at the nest in a few minutes.
It's in the bush like this size.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah, but there's not. Maybe the bird flew and then Trig dipped his hand in it, and then he did this.
Yeah, because I thought the mom was in there.
So you shouldn't have been invading the nest.
I wasn't.
Well, don't disturb nature. You were afraid that the mom was going to get you?
No bite.
Well, stay out of the nest.
Mom, every time, why do we catch birds and why do they fly away?
Because that's what they do. They're not meant for us to catch.
Yeah, birds.
Only birds that are teached.
Taught.
Oh,
Taught. Trained or taught.
Only ones that are trained at the pet shop.
Barbie!
So how did you get this out? This
cracked.
is the one that cracked?
No, it cracked open by itself. Is that
Don't
the
touch. Yeah, I see. Poor chickie. So they didn't develop. Maybe she abandoned the nest and it didn't develop. But look at there. Wow.
Yeah.
I see the eye on the camera. Yeah, I'm sure that thing would grow.
Look at there.
Is it gonna grow?
No, it's not going to grow. It's not alive anymore.
It's dead.
Interesting.
Mom, do birds take a long time to grow?
Yep.
They call incubate.
Oh God, I see the beak.
You see the beak on it?
Look.
It's okay.
A red spider.
That's not a spider.
What is it?
Saw the rib. Where you saw a rib?
On the side. You want to come see the nest?
Yeah, I'm coming to look at it just a minute.
It's at Miss Candace's house here.
Poor thing. I see the intestines.
Where?
If you look really closely, you can see.
I don't
Small.
I don't see the
Like
intestines.
tube inside the belly.
Mom, is that the belly?
Yeah.
Bad about it?
Yeah, because it died.
Oh. Okay, let me go look at the nest. Oh, wow. No wonder it didn't survive, but it's made out of, what is it? Looks like a lot of paper and stuff. This is a bush.
A lot of paper and small twigs.
Yeah.
So I don't think it was going to live in this little bush. It's not the right place.
Their mom worked very hard. Their mom worked very
And
hard.
one bird was dead. Yeah, they didn't survive because she sat on them and they got too warm.
Mom, Trig said the mama bird is gonna kill me.
That's not nice. Can you reach and get it? I don't think there's anything in it.
No, she only laid, the bird only laid 3 eggs.
I can't.
Can you help her, Tariq?
Oh, no, I got.
It's empty. Yeah, it's empty. Let's bring it with us. So yeah,
Let me see.
it looked like it was nice and warm, but I think it needs to be built in a different place.
They were like this, sitting.
There was 2 eggs.
No, there was 3.
Yeah. 1 fell down.
One fell down.
I thought eggs are supposed to be wholly white.
Yeah.
No, remember we looked at different colors? They come in different colors.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Is the redness the blood?
Yeah.
Probably so. The membranes, like eggs, have yolk.
Yeah.
This is the nest.
That's the nest. What you think about the nest?
I see the bird's eye.
Oh, wow, that's the eye.
Yes.
Okay.
The black is the
Don't-
eye.
Okay, set it in the bowl. Set it in the container. And then you go wash your hands. Don't touch anything, but go wash your hands.
I didn't touch it.
Okay. Go wash your hands really well.
I want a sandwich.
In just a minute. What you think about this nest?
I think it's good. I feel bad about that bird too.
Those are leaves and paper. That's a newspaper.
Looks like plastic.
Yeah.
Would you like your home built like that?
Yeah.
Yes.
You would? Looks all nice and comfy.
If I was a bird, I would get some worms
Some worms.
to
Okay.
eat.
To eat. So you think we can put this on the shelf, on the nature shelf?
Yeah.
Okay, and we can just study it, and maybe you want to draw.
A nest and birds
Okay.
and the eggs.
And the eggs, okay. It's interesting, huh?
I would draw the cracks.
You would draw the cracks.
They look like 2 pieces
This
of.
one is smaller. I wonder what kind of... Not as put together as the other one. Where did you find this one?
I'm on the ground. In a shade by a tree. There is it. Oh yeah. This is.
That one is a lot bigger.
Yeah. Yep. Big.
Mm-hmm.
This one's swamped.
And that one is tighter than this one. This one is loosely made, but still, imagine that.
There weren't eggs in it.
There were no eggs in that one? Okay. So it was probably abandoned too because it was built too low.
Yeah.
And now we have 2 of them.
I got stuck there.
And I just see grass and twigs in this one. And the feathers. No paper. No. The other one had plastic and everything
Oh, and look.
woven into it. Teeny. Okay, well, we may find some more, and we'll have a collection of them.
Yep.
And go put it on the shelf with that on.
Yeah. You have to make
Set it right up there on top of the rocks. I'm going to rearrange that stuff.